Right-click and choose Duplicate the layer. And follow the settings. Press Ctrl-Shift-U to desaturate. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur, set amount to 6 and hit OK. Save the PSD file. Select your text layer. Go to Filter, Distort and choose Displace. Set amount to 10. And select PSD file. Click here and choose Blending option. Let's take slider to the right. Press Alt to break the slider. Follow the same process. Hit OK. That's it. Hope you liked it.